Happy Sunday, guys. I did a little bit of shop reorganization and cleanup today, so I thought I would give a little tour, so to speak, of the new layout. We have a humongous perf job to do tomorrow, so I kind of have that laid out on some of these tables over here. But you can see I got two tables set up here really for screen printing jobs. So this is just for us to be able to lay out shirts, organize them for screen printing purposes. We have like 8 screen printing projects to do this week. I doubt we'll get through them all, but we're gonna be doing a lot of screen printing this week. So definitely those two tables are gonna be very helpful. The lamination table we've put behind our little cabinet there and next to the sublimation printer. I got a couple things, like I got like heat presses there for sublimation and stuff. So this is gonna kind of serve as a sublimation table, but also spill over for screen printing jobs when we need it. And also we have some boards that we need to make cut down for some signs. We got to do like really large ones. So we'll probably end up doing it on this table right here this week, but it's working out really well. A lot of our sub stuff is stored in this cabinet, so it's nice to kind of have a sublimation area right here. Okay, right here is where the flatbed is going to go. You can see I was able to get the poles today from Lowe's to get my media all organized, so I'm pretty happy with that. But flatbed's gonna go right here. You got media. We got our second Mimaki, our first Mimaki. That's the workstation that powers it all. Cutter and laminator. And then rolls of laminate. So production flows this way essentially. And then the trim table, the final trim table, is going to go in place of where the flatbed crate is right now, which is gonna be nice because it's gonna put all these little tools that we use for trimming much closer to the trim table. So anyways, short little video about the reorganization and cleanup that I've done so far. Do a little tour here. A little walk through so you can get a feel for the layout. Not much has changed over here. The game room side, an office area. Still don't have my lasers up and running, y'all, but that's another weekend project. I've been telling Mike at NovoWorks I'm gonna fly him up here, have him show me how to do it. Got a lot of screens to wash out. Anyways, that's essentially the tour. I'm hoping tomorrow to do a little video on our perf install, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.